This Japanese garlic bread is perfect for beginners. No oven, no kneading, and it comes out golden and soft every single time. Watch the full video, I'll reveal the name at the very end. If you have never baked bread before, this recipe is made for you. No oven, no kneading, simple steps. And I promise you cannot mess this up. All-purpose flour, instant yeast, warm water, salt, sugar, olive oil, honey, and butter. Simple beginner ingredients you already have at home. Let me show you exactly how much you need. 1 loaf gives you 8 to 10 slices, enough for 4 people easily. Simple amounts, easy to remember. Warm water, yeast, sugar, 1 stir and 5 minutes. If it goes foamy like this, you're doing perfectly. This is the only tricky part, and it's not even tricky. See? 2½ cups flour, salt, olive oil, stir until combined, 0 kneading. Beginners can absolutely do this. Look how much it rose.
Press gently into oval shape. No rolling pin needed, just your hands. Spread butter and honey inside, fold once, and that's your beginner loaf shaped and ready.
Place a small rack inside a deep pot, tight lid. This pot is your beginner-friendly oven. Medium-low heat. Lid on for 25 minutes. Then lid off 5 more minutes to set the top. Total 30 minutes. Beginners, this is easier than it sounds. Hollow tap means it's perfectly done. Golden all around. No oven, no kneading. Perfect beginner bread every single time. You can do this too. Let's make some honey butter. Honey butter on the hot crust immediately. Melts right in and gives you the most beautiful golden gloss. Even a beginner baker deserves that soft crumb, that golden crust. Made by a beginner, no oven, no kneading. This is what you will make. Soft, fluffy, golden. First-time bread makers will be absolutely shocked at how incredible this tastes. No oven, no kneading. Perfect bread, made by a beginner. You can absolutely do this. Here are 3 beginner tips for baking bread. Always test water temperature on your wrist. Fold dough only 4 times, never more, and medium-low heat is the most important rule. That was Japanese garlic bread. No oven, no kneading, all ingredients are in the description below. Check it once before you start. Subscribe now, hit that bell, share with a beginner baker you know, and comment which recipe you want next. See you in the next one.